Okay, so this is the video which I want to create. So recently I have cleared AI 102 exam, which is related to the Microsoft AI solution associate level exam. So I have cleared that. So I want to share few links from where I have prepared. So first thing is like I have go to one of the Udemy courses. So you can go through that any one of the Udemy courses. So I generally go to the Scott Duffy courses. So Scott Duffy is a person like who has created like so many educational videos over the Udemy platform. So if we go through the course, so that gives us a brief idea of the course content and some terms, right? So and the main question and answer like which I covered using the examtopics.com. So in my actual exam, so there are 54 questions, approximately 54 questions, and out of 54 questions, 40 questions come across these four links which I'm going to share with you guys from these four links only, and rest 10 to 12 question like from outside those links, right? So first link is examtopics.com. So you can go to this website if you are preparing for Microsoft AI 102 exam. So you can go to AI 102 questions. So here basically there are 84 questions, but uh, uh, if you are the free user, then only 40 or 44 questions are visible free of cost, right? So I only go through first 40 to 45 44 questions which are available free of cost. So if you want to go through all the 84 questions, so you can like take the contributor access by giving some amount, right? And then you will able to see all the 84 questions. And but the main thing is like whatever the answer like they have provided in the solution, so most of the answers are correct but few answers are wrong. So I would suggest to go to the discussion tab to check what is the correct answer, right? So this is the link. So in this from this link approximately 20 to 25 questions came into my exam. Even if you go to the comment section, so many people say that just cleared my AI 102 exam and most of the questions are from here. I passed 850 plus, like the score is 850, and like the passing score is like 700. So we have to achieve minimum 700. So one person even score 950, and they says like from this set of questions they got 70 to 80% of the questions. So it's up to like from person to person how many questions like it like they will got. But mostly you will get most of the questions from like this website only. So even in my exam, out of 54, approximately 50% of the questions came from the like this website only. So you can go through this website. Second is examtraining.com website. So these have also like some set of question, approximately 77 78 question. Out of these 77 78, all these approximately 50 questions are repeated, which are available on this website. But 20 to 25 questions are like unique, and out of those 20 25 questions you will able to see few questions in your actual exam. So go to this link as well. Third thing is like Vigilab's link. So Vigilab provided like 15 free test question. So you can enroll into 15 free test question. So I have not purchased any like paid courses, but I just try the 15 free test questions. So you can try that 15 free test question. So if you think like it is worth, then you can go ahead and like buy that. But I did not buy that. I just only enroll the like 15 questions. The other link is like certificationshero.com. So they have also provided a few set of questions. So most of the questions are repeated from the exam topics website, but there are many questions which are unique. So I would suggest even this question even came into my exam, but this question is not available into the AI 102 like section. What I can say like in like first 45 4 question, maybe it was like in the next 40 44 question which I am unable to see because I don't have the contributor access. So I also go through this link, so which is very helpful for me in the actual exam, because otherwise like uh, the length of the question you could see is very like large. So if in the exam you are reading the question first time, you will like spend a lot of time, but then there are high chances that you have to read the question 2 or 3 times to understand the actual question, what like the question is being asked, and then you have to go through the answer, and again you may or may not be sure like whatever the answer you are putting, it could be correct or not, it could be correct, it could not be correct, right? So if you have already gone through such questions, such big question, then if the same question appear in your actual exam, so you can just go through that question, then suddenly like it came into your mind that okay, I have read this question and the answer is this. So you can save a lot of time. So I would suggest, if you are preparing, you can go through these 4 links, and I will like share all these 4 links into the description, uh, right? So yeah, that's all. So for this video, thank you.